Hey everyone, I'm Chris with Cherokee Wolfpack. We're here at the International Center with Campkin'S RV for the Toronto Big Show. I'm here today with the Wolfpack 25PACK12 toy hauler. As you can see, this unit here, it's a double entry door, a huge 21-foot awning that covers both doors. It's got the true high gloss gel coat exterior. It's got the motorized stable step on it. Let's take a look inside here. So inside you got a nice open living area. This one has the sofa option instead of the dinette. Nice front king bedroom. And then it has a nice big bathroom for this particular model. It's a nice pass-through bath into a 12-foot open garage. And of course all the toy haulers got the patio deck out back, so this space can kind of double as a second bedroom. It's a garage for your toys. Could be a room for the pets. Nice little workshop area. Lots of versatility built into this unit. Let's take a look inside the front bedroom here. So you've actually got two entries into this bedroom here. You've got the RV King. Nice nightstands on both sides, wardrobes on both sides of the bed as well. And then a nice spot for the TV there right at the end of the bed. Hey, thanks for taking the walkthrough with us on this 25PACK12 Wolfpack.